Hey everyone, welcome back to our tech troubleshooting series. If you're an HP OfficeJet printer owner who's suddenly seeing error code 0081 pop up on your screen, don't panic, we've got you covered. This error is a common issue in 2025 models, and today, we'll break it down step by step so you can get your printer up and running in no time. Let's dive right in. First off, what does error code 0081 actually mean? It typically signals a problem with the printer's carriage assembly or a hardware glitch, often related to the ink delivery system. This could mean your printer is detecting an obstruction or a faulty component that's preventing it from operating smoothly. Now, let's talk about the common causes. Error 0081 usually stems from simple issues like a paper jam that's not fully cleared, ink cartridges that are low, damaged, or not seated properly, or even dust and debris buildup inside the printer. In some cases, it might be due to outdated firmware or a temporary software glitch. The good news is, most of these are easy to fix at home. Alright, onto the solutions. Start by turning off your printer and unplugging it from the power source for about 60 seconds. This simple reset can resolve minor glitches. Next, open the printer cover and carefully check for any paper jams. Remove any stuck paper gently, making sure not to tear it. Then, inspect your ink cartridges. Ensure they're properly installed and not empty or damaged. If they are, replace them with genuine HP cartridges for the best results. If that doesn't work, try cleaning the printheads. Go to your printer's settings on your computer or the control panel and run a cleaning cycle. Finally, update your printer's firmware through the HP website to ensure you're running the latest software. Remember, if none of these steps help, it might be time to contact HP support for professional assistance. There you have it, quick and effective ways to tackle error code 0081. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.